All right, here's our next retail liquidation website. It's liquidation.com. Now, this is a similar type of website as the tech liquidators, but this one's going to have all different sorts of products. Okay, so we can search here by category: clothing, computers, tools, machinery. And this one's going to have, super small lots from 10 or 12 items, 5 items, up to truckloads as well. But this one's going to have all different kinds of categories. So let's say we were looking for clothing and accessories. Let's go new, all locations, search. Okay, so let's take a look at these belts here. So we have a lot of 144 new exotic belts. Okay, shows you all the different kinds of pictures. Now, there's 10 hours and 41 minutes left on this. Essentially, if you were to place a bid on here for $100, okay, you would win this lot. And I think it's like $40 or $50 for shipping. So, and it's shipping from San Diego. So let's say you got these and you sold them for $5-10 a piece. I mean, you could make a really good profit, right, for each individual belt. So we have different sizes here. So this is just a little sample here. I would go on here, look for some name brand products that are able to sell very quickly. So as you can see here, we have, so this is the clothing section, right? You could actually go back to computers and networking, right? Let's go to that section, see what they have there. So wholesale tablets, C grade. Okay, looks like it's a Apple iPad mini, 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi. The best way to figure out if these listings here are, a viable option for you is to essentially just pull up the listing, right? See exactly what is on here, right? As you can see here, here's a manifest list. I would put in this model in here, right? Go to copy. $3.99 is the actual retail value. Let's go back to eBay here. So I would put this in there. Let's go paste. Okay, so it's used. So let's see what it's selling for. Okay. Color, contract. Let's go to used. Sold listings. All right, so they're selling for about $195, $200. Let's see, look at this is a horrible picture here. And they're selling for $179.99, maybe because this guy's the top rated seller, but horrible picture. Another one here. This is a horrible picture of the product, right? You're not presenting it in a manner that will get your buyer to want to purchase the product, right? And these are not even taking up the entire area. Look at this. Look at these white sections on the side here. This is a perfect listing, right? Because the entire area is taken up and it's a perfect image. Let's go down here. So $199. Let's go right here. So $199, $197. So we can sell these really easily for $199. Okay. So it looks like the retail value is $2,095. Okay, somebody's paying $188. You see, look at this. This right here, it would be close to what we would be selling it for. So most likely this would not be a good lot to bid on. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, I would go down all these listings for whatever section you're looking for, right? They have all different kinds of section here. Computer networking, tools and machinery, consumer electronics, general merchandise, housewares. And I would do a cost analysis. So what I would figure out is how much are they selling for on eBay? Okay. Now, how much can I get it for on here, right? If there's a big lot, how much can I get them for each unit? Then you want to add 15% for the eBay and PayPal fees and whatever kind of shipping costs you think you're going to incur. I would say $5 is a good shipping cost unless it's something really large, right? Which you want to avoid anyways. So And that's going to be your best bet, is just going on here, looking to see what kind of products you can find that you can make a quick profit on, right? You'll make a good $500, $600, $1,000, $2,000 on different lots. You just got to spend some time looking through these. They're going to help you build up your eBay account, and they're going to add that revenue that we want to see on our PayPal account, right? To help us with the PayPal capital that we're going to be acquiring.